Hey everybody, thanks so much for tuning into my channel today. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Lydia, and if you're one of my amazing returning subscribers, welcome back. Today I'm going to be reviewing Eilish No.2 by Billie Eilish. So if you guys want to see this fragrance review, go ahead and stay tuned. So you guys, I'm gonna make a quick disclaimer. My stomach is not rumbling, I already ate, but it's storming really bad where I live right now. So if you guys hear like rumbling and stuff or like rain in the background, that's what it is. And you guys, I am super excited to be reviewing this fragrance. I was really excited when it first came out and I wanted to try it really bad because I really fell in love with the original Eilish. So let me show you guys what the box looks like up close. So that is what the box looks like up close, and as you guys saw, it has a really nice sleeve that goes over the box. And I don't think the original Eilish had that. I don't think. But let's go ahead and see what the actual bottle looks like up close. So that is what the bottle looks like up close. It literally looks exactly like the original Eilish bottle, which I'm not mad about at all. The color though of this bottle is a little darker than the original, but other than that, the bottles are identical. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the notes and details of this fragrance. This fragrance is classified as a Woody Floral Musk fragrance for women and men. And I did purchase this fragrance in the largest size that they had, which is the 3.4 ounce. So I'm not gonna have to worry about running out of this fragrance anytime soon. And the top notes of this fragrance include Apple Blossom and Bergamot. In the middle notes, there's black pepper, Papyrus, and Poppy. And in the base, there's Palo Santo, Ebony, and Vanilla. Now I've had this fragrance for a couple weeks now, and I haven't worn it yet, but I did open it up and smell it. And this definitely is a woody musk type fragrance. But I'm gonna go ahead and give it a spray and let you guys know what it smells like. Now this, in my opinion, is a pretty strong fragrance. It's very woody. I'm not even really getting too many of the floral notes. It's just really deep and woodsy. If you take a really deep breath, you almost smell a little bit of the sweetness with the apple blossom. I don't really get too much of the vanilla notes at all. And to me, the main notes that are standing out with this fragrance are the papyrus and the poppy. When you first spray it, you do get a little bit of that spiciness from the black pepper, so it makes it like a woodsy, spicy type fragrance. When I saw that this fragrance came out, I really didn't know what to expect from it. I absolutely love the original Eilish. It's very sweet, but it's like a mature type of sweet. So when I smelled this, it really caught me off guard. And at first, I'm not even gonna lie, I was a little bit disappointed because I was expecting something different just going off of the original Eilish. This was something that I was not expecting at all. I feel like if you like more cologne type fragrances, this definitely smells more like a cologne than a perfume, if that makes sense. Just because of those deeper, spicier, woodsy notes. There's really nothing sweet in here at all. So if you're somebody who really does not like sweet fragrances at all, you like a woodsier, stronger type of fragrance, this would definitely be something for you. Currently, I don't have anything like this fragrance in my collection at all. It is a very unique fragrance, and I still feel like a lot of work went into these fragrances, but it just kind of caught me off guard a little bit. As I'm smelling it, I'm kind of getting a little bit used to the smell of it, but to me, this definitely feels more like a cologne. So in the future, I am gonna wear it. I'm gonna try to wear it at least once just to give it a chance. And you guys, when I purchased the original, it only came in one size, which was the 3.4 ounce. But this one actually comes in 3 and technically 4 sizes. There's the 1 ounce, the 1.7 ounce, and the 3.4. And they even have a travel size purse spray that you can get, which is like $26. So if you're not totally sure if you want to go ahead and purchase a larger size, you could always just go with the purse spray and be able to test it out, which you weren't able to do with the original when it first came out. So I like that they did that differently this time around. So y'all, like, overall, I'm very happy that I have this fragrance. I don't think it's something I'm going to be reaching for on a regular basis, simply because I'm not totally into really deep, woodsy type cologne type fragrances. But in the future, I might see if I could layer this with some of my other fragrances and just see how they mix. But if you want something different and something more on the woodsy masculine side, this is definitely what you need in your collection. I definitely recommend you guys try it out. Like, go into an Ulta or something and sniff it and just see how you feel about it. Like, it's not technically my cup of tea, but I really like that now there's a lot of diversity in her fragrance range, and I really hope that she releases more fragrances in the future. I know a lot of times when people release fragrances, especially celebrity fragrances, either all the fragrances that they come out with will be super sweet, or if they lean more towards the fresh side, all the fragrances will be fresh. But with her now, there's almost like a balance, which is really unique and cool. Now this fragrance, I do feel like it can be a year-round type fragrance that can be worn throughout all the seasons, and it could even be a signature scent if this is the type of fragrance that you like. And you guys, I love the bottles. Like, literally, I picked up the gold one, the original, and like, the bottles are just really well made. When I'm holding these, it feels like I'm holding awards. They have really nice weight to them, especially the original is like I won the golden torso, and they look amazing on my fragrance shelf. So now I have two of them. So as always, I will have this fragrance linked below in the description box so that you guys can pick it up and try it out for yourselves if you want to. And as always, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I hope to see all of you guys next time. Bye.